everyone, this is Connie, the owner of Buy Without Agents, guiding you with the knowledge and tools to confidently buy a home on your own. One of the biggest questions I get from buyers is, how do I even write an offer? It can feel a bit overwhelming at first, but once you understand the key parts that go into an offer, it's actually more easier than you think. So today I'm going to quickly walk you through how to write an offer that's clear, professional, and it protects you every step of the way. Most buyers, especially first-timers, either they just wing it or they have just some template that's given to them from a realtor, and then they hand it back to their realtor. But not you. You're here because you want to take control, and I'm going to show you exactly that without all the questions. So key point number 1, use strong, clear terms. First, your offer needs to make a strong first impression. That doesn't mean it's flashy or aggressive. It just means that it's clear and confident. And that's what I teach in my course. But moving on. You want to be upfront about things like your preferred closing date, whether you are pre-approved, and if you're flexible with timing or you have a very solid down payment. These details show the seller that you're really serious and prepared with very low drama, which sellers actually enjoy. Also, a short, thoughtful offer letter can go a long way. You want to keep it very friendly and professional, like you're introducing yourself and not, trying to win a contest. That leads me to point number 2. Protect yourself with contingencies. If you don't know what a contingency is, head over to my website and look on my real estate glossary. These are the clauses that let you back out if something really major comes up. The 3 big ones are inspection contingency. It gives you a chance to check for repairs before committing. The next one is financing contingency. Protects you if your loan doesn't come through or if your lender is unable to approve you. Appraisal contingency. And this helps if the home is valued lower than what you have offered. Now, I know it is tempting to waive these and just get the deal, but unless you fully understand the risk, please don't do it. These clauses are here to protect you, which also leads me to point number 3. Stay calm and detached. I cannot stress this enough. And real talk, falling in love with a house too soon can cloud your judgment. So please try to stay focused on your goals, not your emotions. I talk about this in other videos. This isn't about getting the house at all cost. It's about making a smart decision that's going to fit your life and your budget. When you present your offer calmly and clearly, it shows. You come across as someone who knows what they're doing, which gives you way more leverage. So I hope you see that you don't need to be a pro to write a solid offer. You just need to know the right tools and information to go into your offer. So to help you get started, I've put together free offer letter templates, which you can grab right now off of my website at buywithoutagents.com. They'll help you sound prepared and professional without really overthinking it. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and share it with somebody that you know of that is looking at buying their home on their own. And if you need a jump start, please download my free offer letter templates at buywithoutagents.com. They're designed to make you sound prepared and not pushy. Thanks for watching, and remember, smart offers lead to confident closings. You've got this. See you in the next video.